today's technology-driven world, computer-based systems provide the foundation for services and operations in many industries. But these servers, PCs, and workstations must be operated, monitored, and managed by skilled operators and technicians in labs, studios, and control rooms. They need an easy, convenient way to simultaneously access, view, and control multiple computer systems from a standalone desktop across multiple monitors. That's why we developed the Dominion KX user stations, two user appliances that provide high-performance, IP-based remote access and control. Together with Raritan's Dominion switches, the KX3 and KX4 user stations provide secure, productive IP access to equipment in labs, server rooms, data centers, and remote facilities spread across the country, or even the world. The user stations provide high-performance access for 1080p and 4K video, a powerful 4K desktop user interface with simultaneous access to 8 or more KVM sessions, direct connections to 1, 2, or 3 monitors, IP-based access to equipment connected to Dominion KVM over IP switches, military-grade security features, support for a variety of video formats and connections. For larger installations, use Command Center to access thousands of devices seamlessly. Advanced features for control rooms include the ability to save and restore configurations of KVM windows, remote control of user stations connected to wall monitors, automatic scanning and viewing of equipment, keyboard and mouse sharing to work across 4, 6, 9, or more monitors. Raritan's history of KVM innovation spans over 3 decades. We're trusted in over 60,000 locations worldwide. With the Dominion KX switches and user stations, you can monitor, manage, and control hundreds or even thousands of remote systems with a single user interface across multiple monitors with lightning-fast productivity. To see what Raritan can do for you, contact us today.